Well, guys, we got it. We just got from Target the other day. We just got some Maximum Destruction Retro Edition trucks. We are Team Men's Maximum Destruction and Kun Max D since 2013. Let's open up, but before that, here's an evolution on the back of it. Pretty cool. And let's take out the package. And I probably need some scissors, and I'll be right back. And here we are. This is it. This is a team of Maximum Destruction, Osmos Max D. Here's some teammates. Maximum Destruction, and here comes the Max D's. Max with D with dedicated to Maximum Destruction. And here are the Maximum Destruction trucks, as I can see. Thank you so much for watching about the Maximum Destruction Retro Edition Osmos Max D, and I will see you down the line.